Thank you for watching another episode of Temu'S Reviews. I'm ready to help you decide what love making next. I'm going to be, for the next maybe week and a half, building these small brick kits. I'm not sure how big they are inside. We'll take a look at one here in a moment. See if they're Lego size or if they're smaller than Lego size and like mini brick kits. But they were all kind of in the same theme. They're all in the same theme of this type of building kit here. Let's see. This one says, "Keep my specialty as the brand." This is future Battleship star. You can see it is kind of like a tri-wing kind of thing. It does say it has two different forms you can build on it. So I kind of wish I gotten two of those now. I do have one of these. This one is a tank. It also has two forms. I think I kind of like it with the two guns out of it versus the other way. And this is like a little walker. Looks like it has space for a pilot, but I don't know if they included anything pilot-wise, but it does look like maybe it can shoot things here. Also has a form switch, it says. And then I do have two of these tanks. Tanks are the ones I'm most excited to build here, actually. It has two different forms, and I have it, or you can at least switch its forms to some degree, and maybe something that shoots out of it. I'm very excited for them. I want to get them put together here for you on camera, of course, and then we'll give them a quick review. Probably review each one individually, and then give a group review after we're done with that. All right, just to see what we think about the whole thing. Let's get one opened up here and see. I got one partially open already. See what size bricks we're dealing with here. Okay, so we got a box in a box. That looks like full-sized bricks to me. Lego style. Not Lego, they are not Lego brand, but they are Lego sized. So yeah, definitely got some Technic pieces. So that's what we're dealing with. Alright, well, I'll get it put together. Here we go.
I finally got around to writing an outro to give you plenty of time to hit those like and subscribe buttons. Thanks again to those of you who have already subscribed. And one of you will have the good luck to be my first paid tier patron on Patreon if you subscribe today. For $3 a month, you get access to my videos without having to watch ads. Thank you in advance.